In this case, he wished he was a belt buckle wearing son of a bitch. Boy's got some serious problems. He ain't no belt buckle wearing son of a bitch. I know there's one act of being cool, but damn it, this ain't looking cool. A belt buckle wearing son of a bitch. Oh shit. Oh, she's gonna lose it all. Gonna lose it all. Oh god. Oh shit. Oh shit. And poor boy's on his way to high school and fit in with the cool kids and shit, but he just ain't got it. But wish him the best of luck. Alright, so long from Totten Tooth Bastard. Goodbye, boy. Get yourself a bill.